The very last ride in my beautiful city. It is currently 4:39 p.m. in the evening. This is the 20th of March, 2022. The last day, as declared by the government, for any cyclists, any motorcycle riders, and any tricycle drivers to be seen on the road. And so I am taking advantage of the very last day and stepping out to get on the road. This is not... Oh wait. I'll see you guys after a little bit. Here comes the entry video. And so what's up, everybody? This is Not.So.Burundian here, coming to you yet again with another video. But today I thought I'd change up the flavor a little bit. We are not checking out any neighborhood. I just wanted you guys to join me in my everyday evening workout. I usually step out every day to ride. I do about 25 to 30 kilometers daily, depending on the day. Some days it's 25, some days it's 30, but I at least do that about 4 days a week. So the ride starts off in Kigobe, and then I'm going to hit the city center via I'm not actually gonna get to the city center. I'm gonna hit Cathedral, and then go down to Avenue du Large via École Belge. And then ride all the way to Kilenga. And then all the way back here again. I was supposed to do this though. I was supposed to pass by PAF, not here. So I think I've messed up the ride. So this video is actually going to end up being longer than usual. So I'm gonna have to break it down into sections. I think maybe 2 parts, each of which will constitute about 25 minutes, I suppose. When I do these high-speed, high-endurance race sort of rides, I prefer to keep the camera on my chest mount. If I was to have the camera on the helmet, that would have been super uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. So basically, I usually start off slow, low cadence, low torque. Speed is not so much the focus at the beginning, because you want to make sure that your muscles are warmed up a little first before you start to really crank up on speed. I am still in Kigori, which means I'm slow. Feels like I've been in Kigori forever. It's a nice engine. Sounds like a diesel. Smells diesel. It's definitely diesel. Bujumbura is not a fan of green energy. Only way to go green is to go cycling or go electric. Neither one of those are a thing in Burundi just yet. Oh, hold on. Cycling is a thing. You got me, for example. But they're gonna kick me off the road tomorrow. Come 21st of March, none of us are allowed to be seen on the road at all. Now, when it comes to people like me who are sports cyclists, I'm not exactly sure what it was that we did to be included in the whole, rather to be piled up with everybody else. Because sports cyclists like me only come out early morning and late evening. Throughout the day, we do not occupy the road at all. So I don't know how we got summed up into the whole equation. It's crazy. I feel sorry for the people that depended on the tricycles as their main source of income. Because their biggest clientele is exactly within the limits that they have been told not to be in. Hold on, let me fix my lav mic. I don't want to be sweating on it or anything like that. Okay, now we're good to go. Let's hit this high speed. This is my favorite part of this road, right here. It's just that the